There. The line wrench. Why don't you get the line wrench?
Because the line wrench on this one is not going to be that good because this nut is a little vercocked.
That's what the line wrench prevents.
Well, the line wrench was the one that was spinning.
Weird.
So I don't know. I work with what I've got.
We work on stuff that people previously have.
And we know it's not the owners of this car because we already know they know what they're doing.
Yeah. I think I know who did it then.
Who do we think? No, don't say it on camera.
Names.
Yeah, don't say it on camera. We don't need to be doing
the
that.
parking lot from Wicken Alley's old place. By the Harley dealer.
No, we didn't say who it was.
We didn't. We just gave them, we said it was by the Harley dealer across from Wicken Alley's old place. On the other side of the freeway off of Indian. There's a 76 station and then this complex. And there's 2 automotive shops in there, and it's not the one where all the signs are in Spanish. There.
Okay, so that
I
one.
didn't tell you who it was, but
that
I told
one's
you
good.
the gist.
So all I do is just take off this hose and line.
Yeah, undo the old bracky.
Yep.
Put it back, and away we go. Good job, Muskrat.
And on that note, we'll see y'all when it's back together again.
All right, Scotty's got this all together. Nice and tight, ready to go. Looking good. And the shock on this side, it's not as bad as the other side, but it's still on its way. All right, looking good. This is exciting. Exciting, boys and girls. Way exciting. All right, we're gonna get ready to start bleeding brakes here in a moment. Scotty?
Hey.
All right, so we're gonna put some brake fluid in, and then I will raise you up.
Raise me up. Whoop, whoop.
A little out of control. All right, so.
Would you believe this is the first time I've ever sat in this style Lincoln? Ever a day in my life.
Yeah,
This is the first one.
I get that.
So guys, I'm sitting inside of you.
Oh my God. Someone hose him down. Scotty, I'm gonna raise you up while you pump.
Ooh, daddy.
That sounds a little nasty.
Pump it.
All right. Yeah.
Lock.
Lock, yes.
But would you'd be dead without me.
Well, that's okay.
But then again, I'd be broke. So I mean.
At this point, that's fine with me.
What, me being broke? I don't think so.
No, not you being broke. The other part.
No, you're not allowed. If I can't be dead, you can't be.
Double check that, tighten it up. It was leaking a hair right there. No big deal. Everything's nice and dry here. We've already cracked it to bleed it once.
Go ahead.
You ready?
Yep.
Cracking. Ooh, that was some air.
Floor.
All right. Pump me again, Daddy.
Ooh, baby.
All right. Passenger side only took about 5 cycles.
Yeah. You ready?
Go ahead and start pumping. Go. Test drive time. Yippee skippy test drive time. Out for a test drive. Brakes feel good. Brakes feel real good.